Michael was our firstborn. It was a very exciting time.
He loved music. I mean, he would sing, he'd listen to jazz. Loved his grandparents. Had pictures of him fishing and holding up his first fish.
The evening was to end with a fireworks display to celebrate the 4th of July.
And the final finale for the night, it tipped over while firing. It struck Michael in the head. He was standing between my legs. There was nothing that I could do to help him. The ambulance came and took us, and they told us to call people. He died the next morning.
After he passed away, I never really understood why my best friend wasn't at my beck and call to play with me anymore. That's one thing that I regret, is not being able to make as many memories with him.
Obviously, fireworks have a lot of glamour. They're very beautiful when they're done in a safe manner. We assumed that if a product was on the market, that it would be safe. And so our feeling is there's not a safe way to use consumer fireworks without a substantial risk. Little did we know that you could have a child standing between your legs and you would be unable to take them out of harm's way. We learned the hard way that fireworks are dangerous, and it's our hope that if we can save one child, one family from the pain that we've experienced, that will be enough.